Drama now, this a drama now. Call your sister and your brother and your mama now. Shan Tasiia big show and it on ya now. And them can't stop the one ya cause it gone ya now. Again, drama now, with name drama now. Call your sister and your brother and your mama now. Shan Tasiia big show and it on ya now. And them can't stop the one ya cause it gone ya now.
Yo, this lady is bugging. It's going on 2 months and I'm still on punishment. And I did nothing. Soon as I come home from school, I gotta put on these dusty ass pajamas all day. I can't even go to the store. I can't even have my phone. She took my phone away and left me and gave me this instead to make calls. I can't talk to a friend, nobody. Just school and home for 2 months, 2 whole months. What a girl wicked and like. I know y'all call lady. Sorry, I mean mom. Matter of fact, get up. Come off fire coach, let me talk to them. Me say move! Later, yo. Yeah. That girl there wicked and lie. I don't feel like me just walk around and just put girl upon punishment for no reason. If I don't feel like me a lie, watch this. Wait there. You still there? Why you watch me for? Mister, watch a clip! What the heck? I thought I left this window open. Sister? Open the window. Ooh, you snuck outside. Stop playing with me, girl, and open the window. I'm not gonna open up the window until you give me some money. You so sneaky. I bet it was you that closed the window. And I don't want $1 and I don't want $10. Hold on. So annoying. I got a 20. Not enough. You got another 20? What? Well, we don't want mom to know that you snuck outside. All right, shut up before she hear you. Damn. 3 20s. $60? Open the window and I'll give it to you. Not so fast. Put the money through the window. Damn, all right. Money! You happy now? Okay, you may come in. Move. I'm gonna... Is mommy still sleeping? No. Mommy up. I wait for you. Which party I come from? You see you little girl? You let her in. Me go pop your little ass. You should have make her freeze out there. Whichever part you are come from, go back. Take your nasty ass back in here. Oh yeah, go girl. Me WhatsApp a ring off and a ding off. People are texting me and say, I feel picking you go answer. Me feel like say day now you better sleep. Whole time you gone out a party. Well, mommy does have a point. I shake your little dirty behind. You break out in a dance, girl. Me really have to wonder if this is you or Spice. You're wicked! What do you mean? What are you talking about? And I know this. And I know this. Hello. You that. Pass me clothes. Because I know say a change. Clothes are here. Watch ya. Put on this. If you change out of the night today, from now on, I'm me and you, girl. Take off your wig. Take off your wig! Yeah, I ain't not get it back neither. I'm going to bed. Wait there. You feel like I ate that? What do you think wrong? What? Hey, get the belt. The belt you say? Yeah. Okay. Ooh, give me back my money. You've already made the payment. There's no refunds. I'm gonna bust your ass in ya, yeah. Get the belt. So tell me now, she not deserve it. That nasty out to do for your next month. Hey, you forget your phone. No lose it. Thank you, ma'am. That's all you have. I can't even go on Instagram. She's a dangerous little girl, you know. Anyways, make sure say you like and subscribe. See you next week. Alright.
You need to follow Shan Tasiia on every platform. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Like, share and subscribe. Press the notification bell so you can see everything we upload. You see the code, cracker, molly, cracker. What it name? German, what it name, German.